everybody, and welcome to the Urban Homestead. Well, we got a little bit of rain yesterday. Everything's starting to come up real nice here on the homestead. So I'm going to take you guys around, show you what all's starting to come up. We also have a few other projects in store for you guys. So let's get started. Well guys, as you can see, everything's coming up pretty nice. So now that I've taken you on the little tour there, let's go ahead and get started on our projects. Okay guys, this is just one of the projects that we're going to work on today. We're going to organize this here pegboard here. We're going to get our tools up and get them in place where they need to be. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Alright guys, now we've got it a little bit organized, a little bit more. It's a little bit better than what it was. We had the tools that were starting to get scattered a little bit throughout the garage. So now at least we can find where they're at. We still may tinker with this a little bit and adjust it, move things around still a little bit more, but we've pretty much got them all on the board where we need them, and easy accessible, easy to find. Alright guys, now we're going to get started on our project. We've got some old wood here that we're going to rejuvenate and turn it into something. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright, there you have it, guys. Nice, quick, easy project. Alright guys, it's such a beautiful day outside. Today we're going to cook outside. So we're going to cook a good old-fashioned southern meal. Chicken fried chicken. Alright guys, we're going to get the griddle ready here. We're going to put a little bit of oil on it and get it ready to go. Alright guys, we've got our griddle all ready here. Now we're going to cook up some chicken fried chicken. This is going to be some chicken from our meat birds that we just butchered. So we're going to see how these birds come out, how the meat tastes. Alright, let's get started. So you want to go ahead and... So Mrs. B is going to be the one doing most of the cooking today. Alright guys, so what we got here is we got some fresh eggs, a little bit of flour and seasoning, and so Mrs. B is putting the egg in, putting the chicken in the egg first, then in the flour, and then we put them on the griddle. Alright guys, now what we're going to do is we're going to restore this old bench that we built a couple years ago. It's starting to get a little wobbly and weak, so we're going to put some new screws in it, freshen it up a little bit, new coat of paint, sand it down, and hopefully get this thing restored back to its original version. It's starting to get late, so I'm not sure we're going to get this all in today, but at least we can get started. today. Thanks for stopping by here on the homestead. Until next time, God bless, and thanks for watching.